Imagine a tool that instantly reveals where your workflow is unbalanced. Yamazumi Charts provide a clear visual representation of tasks across operators, helping identify workload imbalances and non-value-added activities. These charts are more than just colorful bars. They are a window into your process, highlighting inefficiencies and guiding you towards a more balanced and efficient workflow. Here's what a typical Yamazumi chart includes. Operators or stations on the x-axis. Time in seconds or minutes on the y-axis. A red line showing the task or cycle time. Color-coded segments for each task. Each bar in the Yamazumi chart represents the total time of tasks for an operator. Color-coded segments break down specific tasks or process steps, offering a detailed view of operations. The main goal is to identify workload imbalances, non-value-added activities, and opportunities for line balancing. Bars exceeding the task timeline indicate overloaded operators. Those far below suggest underutilization. This visual cue makes it easy to rebalance workloads. The red line indicates the task or cycle time, highlighting overloaded or underutilized operators. This visual cue is crucial for maintaining balance and efficiency in your workflow. Visual cues from the chart make it easy to rebalance workloads. Redistributing tasks leads to a smoother and more efficient process, reducing bottlenecks and improving productivity. Balanced workloads not only enhance productivity, but also ensure a more harmonious work environment. By addressing imbalances, you pave the way for a streamlined operation. Using Yamazumi charts enhances visibility of inefficiencies, leading to improved productivity and better use of labor. Shorter cycle times and enhanced workflow balance are key benefits. Start using Yamazumi charts in your operations to improve workflow balance and drive efficiency. By embracing this tool, you'll unlock a new level of operational excellence. And with that, we come to the end of today's discussion. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to subscribe and feel free to reach out with any topics you'd like us to explore in future videos. You can also visit our website or other social media platforms for professional updates. The links are provided in the description below. Until next time, this is Grow Your Learning signing off.